Good morning. Finishing up the last minute packing that I'm doing. Hold on. All right, good morning, guys. You know how I do after a night of partying. I have that big raspy deep voice. I just wanted to come on and say good morning. Not even sure what the day is gonna look like, but I do know that I have 3 videos to edit. So right now I am currently still in bed. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning, but I wanted to try to get the videos done by 12 before I know tonight Jawan has jiu-jitsu, and so I'll work out for the hour and a half that he has class. So I'm going to do reverse. It looks like my workout's now going to be at night, so I will end my night with a really great workout. So it's Monday. It is Martin Luther King's birthday. It is so of course we're not working. I'm not working, but I have a blog post to get out, and I have 3 videos to edit, and that is what the morning is going to look like. So hopefully I'm uploading, or I'm editing the video from yesterday, which was me there was a lot happening yesterday, but I did go to a fundraising party for a friend of mine, and so just having fun and just hanging out with people I usually just hang out and have fun with was good. Um, I I was gonna say something. I just lost my train of thought. But anyway, that is what the day is gonna look like. Hopefully, you guys are having a really great Monday. I also have to edit a video for my lifestyle channel, Life with Love. So make sure that that you're subscribed to both videos, the vlog channel. So sorry, both channels, the vlog channel, and then the channel for the lifestyle channel. I also have to do an anchor today because I've not done one in like 4 weeks. So usually once a week I try to do an anchor. If you don't have the Anchor app, it's like a mini podcasting app. But I'm gonna do an Anchor an Anchor podcast this morning for 5 minutes as well, as soon as I get my voice all the way together. And yeah, and get 2 Instagrams up. So busy morning until 12 o'clock. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get in to do this work because that's what it looks like. I'm going to catch up on YouTube, or I'm going to let YouTube play in the background as well. And right now I'm watching Lipstick and Curls, which is a new girl I haven't seen. So let me show you. This weekend, I was supposed to be in New York today, but that didn't happen because there's crazy weather going on in New York. So I had my flight basically pushed a day. I don't know, I feel like so long since we've done an actual proper sit-down video together. But we're in Paris. Are you in Paris Fashion Week? Yeah. Very exciting. Sorry, I'm so tired. I know, it's been a long couple of weeks. Then London Fashion Week, then Milan, and now we are in Paris. Yes. So this video today, as you can see. So, in Final Cut Plural, I'm going to teach you something for video editing for my future vloggers and content creators out there. For Final Cut Pro, if your video will not render if there are glitchy frames in your video. So my video is 23 minutes long. I now have to watch it to figure out where there's a glitch, like some kind of like fuzzy piece in the video, or maybe a black spot, and I have to cut it out of my video so that my video will render. So there is a glitchy, so this video I tried to do last night and it was supposed to be uploaded this morning. I could not figure out why it wasn't uploaded. But the issue is that there is a glitchy frame in my video. So now I'm going to sit here and watch 23 minutes of it to find the glitchy frame, because that's what editing life is about. So if your video won't render and it says video rendering fail, video rendering fail, and it gives you like a code 10008, then that is what happens. You have a glitchy frame in your video. You have to go in and delete it out, and then your video should render. Happy Monday. Alright, so I just want to show you up close. So see how it goes black and then it comes back on. So is the glitch in my video. So one of my frames went black. I'm not even sure why. So if your frame goes black, or there is like a glitch, like a fuzzy part in it, then you have to cut that part out, which is going to sound really weird now that, so I'm gonna have to cut out actually that entire piece of the frame, because I'm talking over it. I'm talking as I'm looking at that, or I'm showing the donuts. So I'm gonna have to cut that whole little piece out, but I have to take that out and then my video should render from there. Final Cut Pro worries. Alright, so fingers crossed that this is going to render now, so I can just be done with it. I swear to God, I learned something new with Final Cut Pro all the time. Look how flat my hair is. From yesterday, look how flat my hair is. Alright, fingers crossed, I'll let you guys know. So I think that we have made progress, because it hadn't gone this far before. So now it's going that far. So I think we have fixed the glitch. Anyway, these donuts were amazing. So this video will be live on the channel. And this is like the girlfriend's brunch. And my brother was in a magic show. Like, there's a lot in this vlog. Literally. But I think we are good, guys.
Yeah, so we get that content, I'm going to pack. Can't allow, like, bloggery, fashioning stuff. I'm over it, like, hashtag over it.
Good morning. So I'm cleaning out my closet, trying to get some looks together to shoot, organizing this, waiting for this to upload, and I find 2 Ted Baker bathing suits. So this gold and white one, and this. And then I remembered that I got those for when I get married. But I don't have a fiance. But I was like, oh, these would be perfect. So I guess I'm going to wear them this summer. Unless I get engaged. Oh, I guess I would have to be dating somebody to get engaged. The joys. The joys. Let me say this. This is my favorite sports bra that I purchased. Because, let me see, that style, this is style. Oh, so I have 4 style looks actually this week. But I got this over Christmas holiday. Matter of fact, I think it's in one of the vlogs. I got it for $12 at Marshall. This is my favorite workout bra. So I am excited about that. I'm not even sure why. My nude blazer. Gotta have a nude blazer in your life. What was I doing this with, though? Alright, let me get back to cleaning. I just thought I would mention that I found 2 bathing suits that I forgot I purchased last year from Ted Baker in Florida. They always have great bathing suits. FYI. So in lieu of feeling crazy, I am making a small little snack for all these people that are home on this Monday in my house, which all I had in my freezer was party wings and mozzarella sticks. So I'm going to make that. I'm going to cut up a pineapple. I have a little bit of salad. I'm going to make some mozzarella sticks so that it's not all greasy before we head towards the gym at 7:30. So we're going to leave here at 7. It is 4:06 now, so we've got time to eat, let it digest, have the fruit, drink lots of water, because we're not going to drink sugar and eat grease, and then work our asses off in the gym. I know it's ass backwards, but that is all I could muster up without going to the grocery store, which I didn't feel like doing. So I'm going to make a meal real quick. Here we go.
ghost. A ghost. Is this a joke? You're looking for a place to eat. Please come with me. Your friends as well.
You want me to read a page?
No.
Okay. Okay. I forgot to take my camera. But I did an hour of workout. Jawan had his jiu-jitsu class. The entire family went. My grandmother even just sat there and watched him. I'm so mad I did not have my camera. And all I'm going to do is sit here and flat iron Aja's hair, write a blog post, get my outfit together for tomorrow morning, and then I'm going to go to bed. So I am, fingers crossed, going to be in the bed by 11 o'clock. But I'm getting ready to get out of this soaking wet stuff and get ready for bed. But I can't believe I forgot my camera. But anyway, just hilarious moments. So I worked out for an hour. The kids worked out. And the only person who's hungry is my grandmother. I'm just like, how are you hungry? So you must have pulled all of our energies. And now you're the one that's hungry out of all of us. Anyway, I just wanted to come on and say goodnight. That's the footage that you're going to see. It's me doing her hair and me literally getting ready for bed and doing a blog post. And that's where I'm going to end the night. So thank you guys for watching the vlog. And I will see you on the flip side in the morning when the sun is shining. But you know, it's snow cold outside. Like, it's flipping freezing. So, anyway, see you guys later. Bye.